Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain the only way to properly set up your advanced 2025 smart wall clock. First, carefully unbox your new device and find a clear, stable surface to begin. Locate the included power adapter and connect it to your clock, then plug it into a standard 120V AC wall outlet. The clock should immediately power on, displaying an initial setup screen or a waiting indicator. Next, download the dedicated Chrono Connect app from your smartphone's app store. This app is essential for all further configurations and is the single interface for your clock. Once the Chrono Connect app is open on your smartphone, ensure your phone's Bluetooth is activated. The app will immediately begin searching for your new 2025 smart wall clock. Look for your clock's unique device ID, usually printed on the back or shown on its initial screen, within the app's list of discovered devices. Tap on your clock's name to initiate the pairing process. A confirmation code will appear simultaneously on both your phone and the clock's display. Verify these match and accept the connection. This securely links your clock to your smartphone for all future controls. With your clock paired, the Chrono Connect app will prompt you to connect to your home Wi-Fi network. Go to the network settings within the app. Select your preferred 4 GHz Wi-Fi network from the list of available options, then accurately enter your network password. Once successfully connected, your 2025 smart wall clock will automatically synchronize its time and date using highly precise global atomic clock servers. This ensures perfect time accuracy, eliminating any need for manual adjustments, even across different time zones, as it intelligently adapts to your location data. Now that your clock is fully functional, delve into the Chrono Connect app's customization and features sections. Here, you can select different watch faces, adjust brightness, or choose what additional information, such as temperature or humidity, is displayed. Set specific alarms, schedule reminders, or program custom countdowns for events directly from your phone. Moreover, this 2025 model offers seamless integration with popular smart home platforms. Linking it with devices like smart lights or a thermostat allows for synchronized routines, truly making it the central hub for your temporal notifications and home environment. To keep your 2025 smart wall clock running smoothly, regularly check the Chrono Connect app for firmware updates. These updates often bring new features and critical performance improvements, downloading and installing seamlessly over Wi-Fi. Your clock is powered by an advanced internal rechargeable battery, providing about 6 months of operation on a single charge. The app will notify you when power is low. If you ever encounter minor issues, a soft reset can often resolve them. For persistent problems, locate the small recessed reset button on the back of the clock and hold it for approximately 10 seconds to perform a factory reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.